Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on Hey Google on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open the Google app on your Samsung phone, then tap on the profile icon. Go to Settings, then tap on Google Assistant. From here, just tap on Voice Match, then enable Hey Google. Tap on More, then select I agree. Now just say the following sentences. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Tap on Next and select Not Now. Now after you enable Hey Google on your Samsung phone, you will be able to use the Google Assistant by saying, Hey Google, what's the weather in Chicago?
In Chicago, Illinois, United States, it's 4 and clear.
And this is how you can turn on Hey Google on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.